Hello. Tammy, I'm going to see if you can catch this live. I know it's a little bit earlier than I thought. Tammy Johnson. But I am walking my dog Jake right now. See, look. Hi, Jake. Can you say hi? He's going to go to the lake here and drink his water. This is kind of what he does. But I thought, since the campground is empty, look how empty the campground is. I thought it'd be good to do a live outside. It's a little bit warmer today, and nobody will think I'm crazy walking around with my camera. So anyway, I wanted to get on here and talk to you about the 21-day hair challenge that I am doing that will come out on Thursday's post. And you know, when things change and our hormones change, the first thing that goes is our hair and our skin. All of a sudden the fine lines become finer. Our hair may start to feel like it's falling out, whatnot, and our moods start to change. And since they are kind of the first things to go, they're actually the easiest to kind of get back quickly. And when these things happen, here, we're gonna walk on the dock. When these things happen, it means your thyroid is out of whack and your testosterone is out of whack. And I've said before that when we treat our hormones for healing to get these things back, that you treat all your hormones. You can't just isolate one because they all work together. Hey, look, there's my water. There's Lake Taneycomo. There's the bridge going up. So anyway, so we treat them, and you know, the hair challenge is 21 days, and yeah, we take vitamins and we eat for our healing inside, but there are things that we can do on the outside. And this shampoo challenge is for your hair, and I've got a product, I call it my magical shampoo, that I want to get you in. It's the easiest to fix, like I said. It's the first thing people notice, and we can get this thing back. So if you're interested in doing the challenge, I'm going to do a private group on Facebook. I call it a progress group. I actually have coaching videos to get you the most out of the product, and so you know it's essential oil based. It's monitored by clinicians, doctors, cancer doctors, dermatologists. This has helped people who have got alopecia to restore new hair growth. This has helped people even as far as people who've had to go through cancer treatment to get their hair back and stimulated growing, because it's the only product out there that is nutrient based that will heal the hair shaft, all 3 layers of it. It doesn't cover it up. So if you've had problems with using a product that just covers up your hair, you're good maybe for a day or two, and then it just goes back to garbage, that's why. Because you got to get into the right shampoo. I've been on the product for about 3 months. I didn't have a problem necessarily with hair growth as far as length, but I will tell you this, this is the longest my hair's been in 7 or 8 years. And for whatever reason, it's taken the gray out of my hair. It's gotten my natural pigment back. I don't color my hair. I don't highlight my hair anymore. Normally I do it twice a year. I have not put a color in my hair for a year, over a year now. So this product's great. I want to restore your hair. I want to help you. You have 21 days with me, but you have a total of 30 days with the product. If for some reason you don't like it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because it's got less than, I think, a 5% return rate, then we can get it back. But that is my challenge. I'm doing the hair because the hair is the first to go. And when your hormones start changing, either if you've been pregnant early or if you were in your mid-20s-ish, that stuff starts to change. And we're getting younger and younger each year with hair issues, skin issues, health issues altogether. And just so you know, since World War II, we've had 20,000, I believe, new toxins that have been introduced to our atmosphere. And if you think it's just the food you eat, it's not. It's the products you use on your hair and your skin. It's the products that you use even down to your laundry detergent. So every single one of these affects our hormones. The greatest absorption of chemicals is through our skin, and our skin is the thinnest on our face and our neck. That's why in the fire service, we are so careful to cover our head and neck. If you ever see somebody in their full uniform going into a fire, we have a material called a Nomex. It's a specially equipped material that to your touch is like cotton, but to us it is the biggest chemical defense from all the toxins that get in. And so we have to protect our skin, our hair, and everything else. So this product for your shampoo, it's going to remove those toxins. Also, that's why I love it. To me, it's a cancer defense mechanism for me and my occupation. And for others, it's just healing and restoring of your hair. So that's going to be the 21-day challenge. We are going to start it February 11th is when we're going to start it. So I need to get people in the product and ordered within the next couple weeks so we can all start. And I'll keep on here a few minutes longer. Jake's decided to lay down. Jake, you ready to go for a walk? Come on, Pooh. Say hi, Pooh. That's my boy Jake. He's 12 or 13. He's getting up there, but he loves to walk. So we walk a lot in this. So that's all I really have for today. I was going to go do my workout, but I've got a lot to do. And then I know tomorrow at work, we are going to have some search and rescue training. So pretty certain that's going to be my workout for tomorrow. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Tammy, I will get into the supplements at some point. I mean, FYI, I quit taking supplements, 2 years ago. And not because I'm anti-supplement. I'm not. I just had found out through all my my doctor visits and my blood work that I was fine when I was healing my hormones for health. I haven't been on them. I used to be an avid protein shake taker and had things all kind of backwards. And now I don't. And maybe at some point if I need to, but right now my doctor says I am in optimal health, and not just optimal for my age. I'm just in a really good spot with my health. So we will talk about that at some point. But if you got further questions before I get to that, by all means, just message me personally and we will get you some answers. So you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.